Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, this
Hello.
is Yulia from Sovol. Welcome to our live stream. This is Annie. This is Ben. Thanks
Hello.
for joining our live stream. Okay, let's welcome to or let's welcome people for joining our live stream. Good morning, Team Tyler. Now it is nice in Shenzhen. Hi, Darwin, Team Tyler. I just watched a members only stream from No Emocies about this printer. Wow, so fast. Let's build as well. Thanks. Okay. Hello, CL4NS. Welcome, Harry, Sonia. Welcome, Damsel. Glad, sorry for my pronunciation. Welcome more balances. Where there be a giveaway? Yes, we will. There is a giveaway. About filament. You can fill out a form and answer some questions. You have a chance to win a filament. Hi, Team Tyler. Not a members only stream, but a members only video. I'm assuming it will be also soon far. Okay, thanks for joining your live stream. So many people.
So I think I have nothing to say, but I want to say a little bit that Annie is our vice president of the sales. So it's her first time to introduce our product. So I hope that I think our VP doing a very thoughtful preparation. So there's so much info she will share today. Yeah.
Hello everyone. I'm Annie. So today I will introduce you the Sovol Zero and show you the key features about Sovol Zero. So let's start today's live stream. Welcome to the official launch of the Sovol Zero. Thank you for joining us here, and welcome our old friends.
Change the screen to the PowerPoint. Yeah. Okay.
Welcome our old friends and new friends. Thank you for your support and your time. Today we are unveiling Sovol Zero, and this is our newest and the most innovative 3D printer yet. We've been working hard to bring you a machine that's powerful, user-friendly, and packed with amazing features. And in this live stream, we are going to give you the first look, talk about its key features, and of course, answer your questions in time. Make sure to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe us to receive the latest update in time. Okay, let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at Sovol Zero and what makes it so special. 个在哪里？Now the product starts to sell on our official website, so you can purchase on Sovol3D.com now. The super early bird price is $399 in limited quantities. It will be back to $449 after that soon. Please don't miss the early bird price right now. Okay, let's dive into what makes the Sovol Zero special. This printer is designed to be powerful, efficient, and super easy to use. So let's go over some of his key features. All right, let's talk about one of the most exciting features of Sovol Zero, the crazy fast printing speed. As you can see, the max printing speed is 1200 millimeters per second with high flow extruder. The bench printing time can be done in 9 minutes. So, as you can see in the video just now, really fast, right?
Yes.
As some of you may know, the Sovol Zero takes inspiration from the well-known Voron 0.2, and that's true. We wanted to bring the best of the Voron 0.2 experience, but with some major upgrades to make it even more user-friendly and accessible. So as you can see in the picture, it is fully enclosed and assembled compared to the Voron 0.2. It will save you much more time. And also, it has larger printing hotbed compared to Voron 0.2. So you can see the printing size is 6 by 6 by 6 inches. So another fantastic feature of the Sovol Zero are the high temperature nozzle and the hotbed. This is a game changer for anyone who looking to print with a variety of materials. With the high temperature nozzle and the hotbed, you can easily print not just the standard filament like PLA and ABS, but also more advanced materials like PETG, ASA, PA, and TPU. So this opens a whole new world of possibilities for your 3D printing projects. As you can see, the hot end temperature is higher to 390 Celsius degree, and the hotbed temperature is 120 Celsius degree. So with the enclosed structure, the special filaments are allowed to print very well.
I think one thing I want to add that is about as Annie just mentioned, that is more possibility with so many materials. One thing so now is doing that we will launch more materials. I think before we only sell like PLA and then
PETG.
Yeah, PETG, but PETG I think we just sell this year.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think later we also have other more materials which made by Sovol, which means we were also trying to do kind of end-to-end user experience for you guys. Yes, you have our printers, you have our filament settings, you have our filament, which means ensure from every perspective to make sure your prints perfect. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for Ben's the more information.
So Annie will continue the introduction.
Okay, let's continue. So, another most important key features is about the auto leveling. It is real 100% auto level. We call it eddy current scanning. So what is it? Well, instead of traditional method that rely on probing the surface, this system uses fields to detect the distance to the print bed, and the leveling speed is faster and the accuracy is more higher. Some of you may has already watched our video about the auto leveling. So it is our new key features on Sovol's 3D printers.
So as Annie said that this is advanced sensors, and so as we inspired by Voron, so if you ever build Voron 0.2, you know that so compare Voron 0.2, we are advanced, but also it's also the first very advanced sensors Sovol ever used on Sovol's machine. Yeah. So can I add a little bit to Annie's introduction? Yeah. So Annie, please.
Okay. There are 5 pieces industrial linear rails in this printer. I know many customers prefer to linear rails. It can ensure smoother motion and super control, enhancing print quality and reliability by minimizing artifacts. With greater rigidity and corrosion resistance, they offer extended durability for long-term performance. So there are the five pieces linear rails are one of the most important hardware on this printer.
Yeah. So for linear rails, actually, I think till now we have 3 machines which use this all-access linear rails. First one actually is the T300, which is a better slinger, but we use the most powerful and stable structure. It's all XYZ access linear rails. Then the SP08 now is 0. Yeah. So which ensure the fast speed, but also at the same time ensure the accuracy. Yeah. Okay.
Sovol has always recognized the importance of open source for 3D printing enthusiasts, especially for thinkers. We maintain a strong commitment to open source principles, aiming to provide our customers with more opportunities for DIY fun. That's why the Sovol Zero continues to embrace open source, allowing enthusiasts and thinkers to explore and enjoy the world of 3D printing to the fullest. So you can now check the open source the files on GitHub. Right now we have already uploaded the files.
Yeah, I think for the open source part, and as Andy said that, but let me check a little bit. Yeah, we have uploaded the all files to the all files to the GitHub. Yeah, I think for the step files, especially that one thing I mentioned that since we are really working super kind of harsh on this during a very tight schedule. So some files is still Chinese name, but I think once you use some AI translate software, it's very easy to do that. But anyway, I think we'll replace it with all English name later. But anyway, today you can check all the files. Okay, whether it's hardware part or software part, yes, you can. The printer not received yet, you can check all files of Sovol printers, and I will just share the link here. Yeah. So Annie, next one.
Okay. So we have built a camera in this printer. The camera can provide real-time monitoring and detection of the printing process. It has already conjunction with Obico software. It also can record the entire printing journey, offering time-lapse footage and providing convenience and insights into the printing experience. Wherever you are, you can monitor and control your printer on your phone.
Yeah, I think as some customer already asked that is there a camera? Yeah, we have camera in default. But into a perspective, that first side is that this camera you could log into your Klipper main cell backstage, and then you could just monitor it. Okay, through your local network. Then we cooperate with Obico. I think for more than 1 year, and you could use Obico to check your prints with some I think another network, which means that if you just you are working at the office and far away from home, but through this Obico software, you could check out it remotely. So which gives you this camera serves two purpose. First is a local network monitor, then another one is remote monitor. So I think we should be kind of meet all your needs or requirements. Yeah. So back to Annie. Yeah.
Okay, the printer comes with the Oka slicer software. We have preset the nozzle diameter parameters for 0.4 and 0.6, 0.8 millimeters, and also the Sovol PLA PETG parameters in the slicer. So with optimized nozzle movement path, and the printing speed is improved. As it is also open source, so you can add other printers setting parameters. No limitation for your DIY fund. So you can add your if you have any have other printers, you can add the printers in the slicer.
Yeah. I think this is also a very unique part for Sovol that till today we do not do any reskin of Orca slicer. So which means that we put Sovol name on Orca slicer, but yeah, but it's still the Orca. And the bad part is that the factory usually will just cut some corners of the software, making it even unfriendly use compared to the original Orca. So Sovol kind of stick to the original archive, which means that you could simply just download Sovol's profile settings and then load to the original or latest Orca slicer. Okay. For example, you could just download the latest Orca slicer right now and then load the 0 settings in it, and then you will just you can slice it right away. Okay, there will kind of no any I think middle software for you to connect to Sovol's printer. No, you just use whatever you want to use. So that's Sovol kind of intention is that the hardware is owned by you, the software is owned by you, the printer is owned by you. So you use whatever the hardware you want, use whatever the software you want, you use whatever the slicer you want. Yeah. So back to Annie.
So we have, as we all know, if you print some special materials, there will be some strong smells like ABS, and the zeros-L filtration system effectively filters VOCs, particles, and other emissions produced during printing, ensuring a cleaner and safer indoor air environment. We have built the carbon.
We have built the carbon fiber filtration system. Yeah. In the back, so which means that if you print some high temp materials, some materials maybe with some toxic smell, or elements yet which use this carbon fiber filtration system, it could do less harmful things for your health. Yeah. So, Annie, back to you.
The camber.
Okay, I think I also think and maybe you back to now next back to the okay about chamber temp monitoring. I want to say something that yeah, we do not build the heat chamber with this printer since we want to build this since this printer is already really small. So and we also, as we just introduced, that we kind of bring the temperature of nozzle to 350 and the bed to 120. So it is capable enough to provide your temperature already to like 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So that's we do not build the heat chamber in it. But anyway, we built the heat chamber monitoring sensor in it. And also you could check it out in the Klipper main cell backstage. So if you if your use of this printer for I think especially this printer cable is that fast prototyping. So if you want to use the high temperature printer printing materials like ABS or use the PETG especially, so the Klipper this main cell backstage really provide you every data you need to know. But since it's our printer is open source, so if you like to tinker later to add the heat chamber yourself, since if you think that is a must, you maybe want the temperature to reach to 60 degrees Celsius. You can do that. So that's a special part of this Sovol Zero's printer. Yeah, I think it's kind of you could say this printer is kind of the I think 2018 industry, stuff like that, but very powerful, but open source. So usually, I think now, as no people mention about DIY, do it yourself, but I think for our Sovol's mission now is that whether from the SV06 or now then SV08, we cannot provide you a fundamental base for you to tinker. Its tinker is now to start to assemble the gain tree, the profiles. Then now, I think the DIY part is to you kind of tinker with a printer is already working, but it give you a huge space, a potential to upgrade. I think nowadays, if I like to mention that whether the Creative or Bamboo Lab, even Elegoo and Cubic, they're trying to lock you in with a very closed system. But Sovol give you a printer that works, but you can modify. You can do any modes you want, which I want to mention that we have our 25 modification context going on. So we really like to see what you will do after you have your printer, okay? So I think most people's printer definitely will not same as the original you purchased, yeah. But anyway, back to this chamber stuff that I want to mention again. We do not build any heat chamber as default, but since it's so small and the temperature of nozzle and bed max temperature is so high and it's an enclosed printer, yeah. And we want to make it as affordable as possible, as it's really a small beast. So we leave this option to you, since we think even do not have heat chamber, it's already enough for you to use any high temperature materials. Yeah. So back to Annie. Yeah. Okay. So Annie cannot finish the whole. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So Annie kind of finish our introduction. Yeah, I think it's kind of short, but we're trying to give you all core features of this printer. So we not to want to waste your time. So you may wonder, oh, I just come here. So what's next? So what's next is that we will bring our core engineer here to answer any question you want. So it kind of become a QA part. And don't forget, we also have this lucky draw part. So yeah, so from now on, you could just ask any question you want. So I think nowadays the printer basically, from your perspective, is kind of same. And sometimes whether it's new or not, you think it's whether the function, the price, even something new is kind of familiar too, but I think the things you unknow is that your own need is kind of I think kind of figure out, or like I think want to say that I think people who buy Voron definitely have more than one printers, right? Maybe have 3 printers. So some people said, oh, this Sovol there is really small, so even under 3 V3 stuff could beat it. But I want to say it's a totally different thing. So people who understand zero will buy it. We now sell this printer for everyone. So if you think, oh, it's 150, it's a toy, this printer is for children, no, definitely not. I think this, if I only say one thing for this printer is definitely for fast prototyping. Yeah, and it's enough. And since it's so fast, it can kind of doing every prototype test within 1 day. Yeah. So, and also with this enclosed high temperature, enclosed structure, high temperature capabilities. So, I think for fast prototyping is the first thing I could think of. People like to use it. Yeah. Another thing is that, as I said, people who have who want to buy this printer definitely already have more than one printer, maybe 3 or 4 or 5, I think. And some of you even, I think, have some. Maybe you already built the Voron 0, but you just leave it to the dust since it's small, right? So this And for other printers, you may buy from other brand like CoreXY or BAM but actually you do not need to tinker with. It just works, right? It's kind of boring, right? So this zero gives you the fun to continue to tinker, like the old days of industry. Okay, you kind of change everything of that printer. I think only the gantry you not change, then you change everything, right? Some people think, oh, it's a pain, but later everyone said this industry teach him about how printer works. I think the zero is kind of doing this job again, and the SV08 also doing the job again, and also the SV06 doing the job. So anyway, Annie will finish the introduction, and maybe Annie could bring Wenlong here. So
Okay.
then,
Let's watch the
proposal video. Okay.
yeah.
So yeah, I think I already see the comment section that let me bring the printer. Okay, so everybody excited. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks all for listen to our introduction about Sovol Zero. I know many people are interested in the printer. When we release Sovol 06 ACE and Sovol 06 Plus ACE, many people will comment, when do you release Sovol Zero,
Sorry.
and how much is it? Yes, yes. So today we release the printer.
Okay. So I think I understand, right? Anyway, I think I will kind of answer questions. So okay, so we not to we stop to saying every good things about this printer. We're back to what you want to know. Okay, we're back to what you want to know. Yeah. First thing, there definitely will be a printer giveaway, and Yulia will share the link.
Yes, we will today on the live stream. We will there is a giveaway about filament. You can fill out a form. You have a chance to win the filament. About printer giveaway, we host an activity about modifying your printer. We don't restrict brands and structure. You only modify your firmware and software. And it is different from the printer from the factory. You have a chance to win the printer Sovol Zero. The first prize is Sovol Zero. The second prize is filament. The second prize is filament drive. The third prize is filaments.
Yeah. Okay. So back to the question, the QA part. So first question is that please change the glass to plastic panel, much safer. 他说现在是关于我们那个，就是他们意思是把这个玻璃换成塑料会更安全一些。然后就是我们现在用这个玻璃的点是什么？我知道答案，但是呢，就是你们这边还是说一下这个 ，OK。但是我们这个是硬化钢的，对不对 ？OK. So yeah, I think actually this glass is more safer than you think. Yeah, since we do not use that normal glass, we use the hardening steel glass, which is not easy. It is really not easy to break. Okay, so you do not worry. I know that. I think it should be the CoreXY K1 or something. that then when Uncle Jesse doing this live stream and then this front door, right? And I understand that the front door here, it just break. Okay, it break to pieces. I think since Uncle Jesse maybe use the printer like this, and then he just, I think I will show you guys. I show you guys here. So if we break today, so it's just interesting. So I think Uncle Jesse, when his printer, when he unboxed the printer kind of he put up like this, and then the door is open, and it's slightly open, and then it just breaks. Since I think it hit the edge, but you see here, I'm just showing you here. I think it's also our design is really, I think, tight here, so there is really a huge, I think, the strength to hold it back. So when this glass open, it's also open really slowly and I think slightly gradually open, even with some force. You see, it's kind of with some pushback of the printer structure itself. So you do not need to worry about this thing breaks. I know for most customers may have children in house. So if it breaks, it's maybe not hurt you, but will hurt your children, which will be really unfortunate. But we definitely consider that. So you do not need to worry about that. Yeah. Okay. As you said, yeah, will not be shattered. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Some people ask when ship is when it ships. In the United warehouse, the shipping delivery time is April 10th. Europe warehouse, we will send it before March 31st. The UK warehouse, we will send it end of May. Australia warehouse, before the middle of May. If you the accessories will ship from China warehouse.
Okay. Yeah. So another question is that some customer asking, will the Sovol auto bed leveling be compatible with SB08？ 就是这个涡流传感器，它能够直接用在08上吗？就是 Zero 的涡流传感器能直接用08上吗？就我们肯定到时候会单独卖嘛，但是我们卖的话，可能作为配件去替，就作为它的配件，但是。所以我们暂时是没有计划，公司也没有。我是说你们做，那你们出的就是公司有，咱们应该有计划去，就是说给这个配件，就是它一个是给这个这边做一个配件去替代，还有就是它给08这块会有写这个教程之类的会去弄一下。不管我们后续要不要开发08的升级款，这个东西本身会有，只是说时间是，就只是说这个时间还没有。Okay, all right. So first thing is that as you all know that later we will have this eddy current sensor as a accessory or parts to like to replace the as a replacement for the Sovol Zero. If you just buy this Zero's sensor to just replace your SB08 sensor, it will not work. Okay, but we definitely have plan to doing some firmware update and firmware update, and also the assemble method will be different. So I think for this part that we are working on, but we do not have any timeline of schedule on this, but we are already working on it. You may just need a little bit, since if you do not have any need to buy this Zero printer, but you want to make your SB08 printing more stable, the first layer more perfect. Yeah, you kind of need a little bit, but I want you to know that you cannot just replace it right away. You need some update of firmware. You need some assemble method. But I want to let you all know that we are already working on it. We just do not have any timeline. But I will keep you updated and then later to inform you through the all social media platforms, and also maybe our sales team will send you emails once we are ready for this Sovol Zero adequate sensor to install to your SV08. Yeah.
Okay, some people ask when do we show a video about auto box video? We will show it next Saturday live stream.
You mean they want to see how the eddy current sensor works?
Also off box.
Oh, okay. Okay, then
We will,
yeah, we have the 我们的开箱 Okay, well, we have unbox video. I think maybe I will check it. I think we will release the unbox video maybe within this week. Then I don't know, you guys, if you want to check right now about how the adequate sensor worked in the real time. Okay, we have videos, but some people may think it's fake or something. Yeah. I think I will show you a minute, but we continue the all questions here. Also, another question is, are the nozzles compatible with SV08? 喷嘴是跟08也是不一样。OK。
Okay, thanks video finish. I can do an unbox video for us.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. As Julia said that, yeah. Thank you for
doing an unbox
video for us. Yeah.
If we have a chance, we can do it again.
Yeah. We will. Also, back to another questions that I just checked with our engineers that unfortunately the nozzle of Zero is not compatible with SV08 since the Sovol Zero has I think much more flow rate of the nozzle. As you see our description page, it's going to like 50. Let me check a little bit. Make sure I not make any mistakes here. So with this printer, our max the flow rate is 50 millimeters square per second. So yeah. So it totally is something that really redesign of the nozzle or extruder system. Yeah. Okay. Then we also have but some customer also said, as I just mentioned, that we'll make new filament. I think sell new filament again as I think, especially high temperature materials that so temporarily only sell PL and PETG, but later we'll sell ABS, TPU, and other high temperature materials. So and one customer said that don't make proprietary RFID tags on the filament. 就是我们的将来的那个耗材，不是咱们现在要出一些就是 ABS 对，就我们会不会去做这个？但是后续呢？都是这样子，但是我们如果出那些高温耗材不会，对吧？就是公司最近不是在采购那些高温耗材吗 ？Okay. So about this RFID tag stuff, temporarily for the Sovol 0 point, we will not make this kind of settings. Don't worry about this. But for the AMS stuff, AMS like multicolor system, maybe we will add this kind of thing because we want to also make sure the end user experience from every step is kind of smooth, but that will be the future thing. But temporarily for the Zero or for any new filament, if so ever will launch it will not include any RFID tags on it to stop you to use any other brand. Yeah, I fully understand this. Yeah.
Also multicolor system.
Multi-color system. Multi-color system too.
Some people ask, are you working AMS? Yes, we are working on AMS, but the printer applies the multicolor system. The next printer we can see multicolor printer. We are working on. I know many people are interested in multicolor printer. In your Reddit activity, we ask some people what's expectations for Sovol 06 Plus ACE. Maybe 30% people want to multicolor system or printer, and 20% people want comment enclosure. I use multicolor system or printer. It cost many filaments and time. But I think when he prints the multicolor model, it is so beautiful and more detailed than painted. So I think I need a multicolor system or printer. Thanks.
Okay, so another question I see here, I think engineer need to answer that. He said, does the I changed the position with Ilya, so better answer your questions. So William said, does the bed have a separate power supply? 他说我们的热床是有另外一个供电的那个电源吗？就是 AC。So since we use this AC power system, so the bed do not have a separate power supply. Yeah. Okay. And also one thing I want to share here today is that we have okay. So actually, I asked our engineers 3 questions. So I think you may also be a concern for you guys. I asked him that what is the biggest technical challenge of so or maybe answer your question. A main question I have is it running Klipper 0.12 stock? 他说我们运行的是 Klipper 的 0.12. Okay, yeah, we are running the Klipper 0.12. Yes, yeah. Okay, question: does it have HDMI port to run Klipper screen on external display? 所以它要是就是接 HDMI 的话，它就是另外一个屏幕。Okay, yeah. Since our whole design philosophy for this printer, I think for the interface, we mainly still focus on this knob screen. So you definitely could use the HDMI screen, but there is some function kind of limited. You need to tinker it yourself. But we do have this HDMI port here for you to use for advanced features. Yeah. Has it? I think Richard Round said has it mean like Klipper or the Sovol fork？他这个意思应该是我们用的是 Klipper 的 mainline， 还是说我们是 Sovol 自己的那个 fork？ 就是 Sovol 自己，就是整个应该是那个我们用的那个，还是我们那个部件或那个系统本身，就是我们等于是因为原生的，还是说我们自己的一个自己有去改动的一个 ？OK。Okay. Yeah. So Richard Ron said, has it a mainline Klipper and or the Sovol fork? For the whole system, it's Sovol fork. We definitely do some change, but for the HDMI screen, we do not do anything about it. But since the whole system is made some change as Sovol's fork, so definitely impact on the HDMI screen for sure. Yeah. I think another question here. Let me check. Let me check the questions you may already ask, but I missed. I will check. I try to check every comments here. So Jolene Mary said, it is a mini Voron, definitely. That is bigger. I think technically it's not a Voron. Okay, we just doing a lot of stuff, kind of totally different compared to Voron 0. So I will check here. So actually, I asked our engineer Wenlong, so he replied me some. So I asked him that. Is this so there a modification of Voron, or does it look like Voron's code, but it's our own development? So Wenlong, just our engineer, replied me that a new design based on Voron 0.2. Many structures of 0 are different from those of Voron 0.2. The Z-axis use a double screw hotbed platform, while Voron use a single screw cantilever hotbed. The nozzle part is also a new design, and the cavity the motors, cavity filter fan, and the module auxiliary fan are added. Yeah. Okay. Will the two head be compatible with SV08? I think I already answered that it just not compatible with SV08 at all. Whether the nozzle or the whole extruder， 它是把整个喷头套件也是一样的，对吧？都是一样的，就是 0的喷头套件整个的换到08上去也是不行。Okay. So. And also, if you, I think not compatible, and also for the two head, not compatible, but in another level. Since the SV08, yes, SV08's communication method is use USB, but the Sovol 0 use CAN bus, so it's totally different communication method. So you cannot just replace even the whole extruder. You cannot replace it to just replace it right away. No, yeah. OK，另外一个是 TPU 这块的 ，TPU 这块的，就是他说 TPU 的那个流量那块的，他说，我们呢基本上能推到 TPU 360，当然这个我完全不知道啥意思，但是，对，他说我们的 TPU 这块大概是一个什么？对，那应该是，这是我们大，没有。对，他说 flow rate 就是那个流量大概到多少？我们大概到多少？ 对，我们就是快速的情况下大概能到什么？但我们因为我们那个50是 max 嘛，这个50是 PIV 的 max 嘛，但是 TPU 这块有大概一个吗？Okay. So Jules Collins said TPU flow rate is a good question. In testing, what flow rate was the extruder able to push TPU? 3, 6, 10? Our engineer just Venom just replied to me that it assume is 30. Okay, the flow rate of TPU, the max would be 30 more or less. Okay. 我们的喷嘴本身有什么特别的吗？还是正常？这次的 zero。嗯嗯，但他应该说的是这个材质也是一样的。Okay. So I think the nozzle is kind of similar structure as SB06. Okay. So this Marley robot said which sort of nozzle. So the nozzle is similar to SB06, and it have two types. One is brass nozzle, another is hardened steel. Yeah, and we have this hardened nozzle. We have one hardened nozzle also in the default package, which means you do not need to buy it to try it later. We have one for free in your default 0 package if you like to use a hardened nozzle. Yeah. 他们说30的话就比较觉得对。嗯。那你说的30是刚才是有所啊，嗯嗯嗯，460 ，OK，嗯嗯，最大体积流量。Okay, guys, give me a minute. As our engineer just add something about that TPU flow rate, so I make sure I do not reply you anything wrong. Okay. Yeah. So. So the max flow rate, our engineer reply is 30, which is definitely impressive. But he also added that the max volume flow should be 刚才是多少来着？就是刚才说是，如果是按照你那个说的是多少？是5还是几来着？还是6？6 ？OK. But he also added that the max volume flow for TPU is about 5 to 6. And the flow rate is 30, so it's just the two specs, okay? So I just ask them again, make sure I do not make any mistake here. So. Okay, so brother John said, hey, is the hot end very similar to the SB08 Plus? That has a heat break with a round abundance that meets up into a string gauge plate. Okay, as I just said, it's similar to SB06, not ACE. Okay, it's similar. Sovol Zero's nozzles type is similar to SB06, not SB06 ACE. Okay, yeah. 樱花刚那个送的那个也是0.4。Okay, so off-axis as extra nozzle different size, free, awesome, yeah. So the size of the hardened steel nozzle is also 0.4. So we kind of have two extra nozzles. One is brass nozzle 0.4 and another is hardened steel nozzle 0.4. So both free as extra. Yeah. It just it's all in the default package. Yeah. Also, I think this question I just missed that Trump Corp said is a feeder material steel or bronze. So I think I need to check it a little bit. 就是这个，他说是微料器的材质是钢还是青铜？嗯，那就应该是计数机，对，计数机。嗯 ，OK，助理。OK， Yeah. So back to the question, Trump Corp is a feeder material steel or bronze. I just confirmed with engineer that it's cast aluminum. Okay, it's cast aluminum. Yeah. Let me back to the. Okay. Also one thing that customer asked is a carbon filter cover. The early version is as a prototype or beta version is kind of plastic, but if the mass production change, 就是我们这个这块这个盖板，就是这个碳纤维的这个过滤系统的这个盖板本身的话，好像是还是打印的吧？他说之前是打印的，现在还是打印的，我们没有去做成开麻件或者是金属的。OK，it's 所以我们觉得这个没问题是吧？就是这个过滤的在这边，它虽然里面会有温度，其他问点就是因为这个封闭嘛，高温嘛，这个没有问题是吧？OK，so I think as we tested the carbon fiber filtration systems cover is still 所以是我们3D 打印的，还是说它就是个塑料？Okay. So the carbon fiber filtration systems cover we printed with PETG, and since we test this printer for a very long time, and we guaranteed that there will be no problem for long time use. Okay. Yeah. So what's the size of the heated build plate? It's 150 by 150 by 150. If specifically it's 152 by 152 by 152 millimeter. Okay, yeah. Okay. Sebastian said just turn it around and then we can see if it has HDMI port. Yeah. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, I just turned the printer, so you should have the angle of the HDMI. I think maybe we should. I think light should not. I don't know if you could check. Okay. Oh. 他要看这个 HDMI。Okay. Oh, since it's so far away, but sorry guys, I want to give you the. Oh no. Can you see that? The HDMI port. Yeah, I think you got it right. Yeah, I think with the light from my phone, you could see the HDMI very clearly. Yeah. It's just beside the USB port. Yeah. So. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. I will continue to check the questions. Okay, so let's see if any. 多色的反正就没什么说的嘛。So we have nothing to say about the AMS stuff. Yeah, as I said so many times, we are working on. Sovol is so small and with very limited resources, we need more time to make sure this system works really awesome. Okay. Yeah. For printing PLA, is the door required to be open? So I think this customer's name is Spongo. For printing PLA, is the door required to be open, or can we just open the top? 打印 PLA 的话，就是我们把门打开，还是说把上面的这个也要打开 ？OK， 上面的，前面的。Oh, okay. So for print PLA, our engineer's reply is that you could open the door or open the top, both works, but do not need to open both, as 因为我们这个还在工作嘛，是吧？这个 Okay, so since we have two I think fan in the back and also in the side, so it's enough fan to blow out the whole temperature out. So which means that you do not need to open both. So anyway, I think I maybe show you again about the. I just show you a port, but also I like to show you the back of the printer, so you could see the fan here. Yeah. And also, I like to mention one thing that I think the filament is now in the back, right? This is the early version, and then I think now for the mass production version, we move the filament holder to the side, okay, side of the printer. Yeah, I know as in the back, some customer mentioned that it will be a deal breaker for them. Yeah, we heard the feedback from our early beta testers, and we move it to the front side, so which will be easier for you guys to change the filament. Yeah, usually I know that you will have a shelf. Usually your printer on the table, and the table should against the wall, and it's really very hard to you to change the filament without seeing the filament go through the filament round sensor. Yeah, I fully understand. Yeah. So how loud？就说我们的机器打印的时候有多，大概分贝有测试吗？就都关上的时候。哦。Okay, so I like to answer this question: how loud is the machine when printing? So if the printer is fully enclosed, so the sound should around like 60 decibel, more or less. Yeah. Okay, I just saw this very interesting comment here, as Martin Henshaw said that everything is fake until I'm holding one. 就有客户说你现在说的啥都是假的，除非我现在手里有一台。Okay, yeah, you are right. I'm so you should buy it right now. You should buy it right now. Then you will know it's a fake or real. Okay. Yeah. Okay, William Finn said, I have to ask, when will you do a large version? So we have this 500 by 500 by 500 already on the way. I think you guys should see it very very soon. OK， 就问我们500的尺寸的，500乘500尺寸的，什么时候上 ？OK，so I will answer. OK， 我会回答。Yeah, you will see it very soon. OK, we have working it. Actually, we working the 0 and we also working on the 500 by 500 by 500 build size at the same time. I think. Yeah. So the bigger version just need more time to polish, but I think it will fit a very very specific kind of a specific usage is cosplay, right? So remember, it's a 500 by 500 by 500 build size. It's bigger and have more function. And as far as I know, yeah, the default we also do not have heat chamber, but we have the option from the official. Anyway, back to 0. Okay. So how does the eddy sensor work with a glass backplate? 他问我们这个涡流传感器跟如果他们换成玻璃的热床，玻璃板的话。So okay, so brother John said how does the eddy sensor work with a glass backplate? No, it cannot work with a glass backplate. Sorry. Yeah. Let me see. If you have any further questions, please. Yeah, I'm trying best to answer. 他说如果房间是35度的话，还好，正常。我们本身就，我们夏天我们的测试房间估计就那么高，但是我们有空调。Okay, so here are the next questions. So question said, can there be any problems with the printer's working temperature, bad nozzle if the room is 35 degrees Celsius? Yeah, we have tested under this tough environment and it works fine. It works fine. Yeah. So you do not worry about that. If you have this situation like that, I think that maybe at some north of America or north of any country that at the same at the same latitude, yeah, you can kind of worry that, but yeah, after I think our long time test, there is no problem with the printer's working temperature, bad nozzle, if the room is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, and thank you so much for loyal most join live. Yeah, and so looking forward your review test soon. Yeah. Oh, talking about 0, I think some people may think that 0 is small, but I think it's also an advantage here that as some people, as I said, that I think so many customers who are looking for 0, they already have so many printers, so actually they have not much space to put another printer. So this 0 is small but powerful. It definitely meets these needs. They need some printer because the other printer is very easy to use and boring. So with this one, it will not take too much space. It's faster. The quality is awesome, and it's small. So this time, the small is advantage for so many people because they do not have any more space. Okay, yeah. Okay. I think this is an interesting question. I don't think I can answer this, but I will read this out. So, affordable outlets that have tariffs affect the price. I have seen many people wish for it to be close to $300, but it also looks like a higher quality machine from other videos I'm seeing. Yeah, this is an interesting one. Yeah, definitely. Personally, I also wish it to close to 300, but we can't. Why? So first, as I said, that we are small companies. So from a cost perspective, that like Bamboo Lab and CoreXY, when they order this, when they produce the machine, their order quantity should be like 10,000 every time, maybe like 100,000 every time for every model. Once for every production bench, but for Sovol, we can only order like 1,000 pieces. Okay, so I think most of you guys are engineer background, so you know this mass production basic thing. The quantity, it really matters. So for Sovol, we have this very low quantity, so our cost is high. Discard we now talk about the tariff first. We just talk about the cost itself and Sovol's quantity. Then another thing is that this printer is moving so fast that we also add some weight. 我们加的那个就我们在这基础上还加了一些什么那个重，就是那个重是加了多少，配重加了多少，加了大概有多少？ So since the printer is moving fast, and you guys just said that it will fly from the desk, right? Definitely, if you trying to print like 1,000 millimeters per second. So back to the question that we add about like 2 kilograms more or less weight to this printer to make sure it holds itself on the table. All right. So this is another thing. It makes sure the printer is just stick to the table, but also it added the weight, which means it will add the cost to the freight shipping. Okay, 2 kilograms. So as we now talk about every dollar, right? Yeah. And then another thing that actually, if you guys, if some of customers you are watching now, you know Sovol that every new model Sovol produce is a different model. We usually cannot use most parts of the early models, right? So as other companies, they share so many similar materials of the old models, but for Sovol, every time we are trying to bring something new, which means we cannot use the materials of the old models. This is another cost. When you go into this I think, let me say, when you do anything like die casting, die sinking, or open the mold here, for other customers, maybe this will be a small amount, but for Sovol, it will be a huge part. So that's why I think, personally, I wish we use this injection molded parts for like the carbon filtration fine cover, but as a fact and reality, we use this 3D printed PETG materials. It could hold for the task, but definitely it's better for some metal even. But based on our company situation, we are trying to bring this printer a best price as possible as we can, but we really can't to make it price like Elegoo's latest printer, or like CoreXY, or like Bamboo Lab. Okay, please guys, we are thanking so much for your support, but please remember, Sovol is really small company. So if we really have that resources and money, definitely will make this even better and low cost as possible. But sorry guys, we can't. So if you support us with this printer more, maybe later we will kind of maybe lower the price a little bit, or even more. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. But do not try and bring something new when it also brings new problems. 我再说一个点，他们说那个我们价格好像有点贵嘛，然后我说那个，因为我们还有个点嘛，我们每次在弄新的东西出来，所以我们不能共用之前的很多东西，这也是一个点嘛，算是。一个是配重，一个是我们这个机器每次都在搞新的，我们不一定市面上最先进的技术，但是我们的东西确实是一个对我们自己来说是个新东西，所以的话我们可能有这方面的，就别人家可能会有很多共用的嘛，我们这机器每次就是可能就比方08又变得这么小，基本上可能东西都用不到。但是如果说你做一个08，就让我们做08升级款，那就基本上，所以我是这么说的哈，我这么说。然后底下评论说是吧？你不要弄新的了，弄新的就有新的问题。Yeah, I just talked to our engineer that said, yeah, of course, if you're doing something new, that definitely brings some new problems. But yes, but I think for the differentiation of Sovol itself, so we definitely need to do something new. Not just follow the Allegro and BabLab, right? If we just follow the BabLab and follow quality, I think we already die, right? I think you already stopped buying from Sovol, right? So that's what we are doing here. So trying to do some DIY stuff, trying to do open source, and trying to do something different but still valuable for you guys. Yeah.
Some people ask Gagrin from some people ask where there be a warehouse in Brazil selling the printer. So zero sales in the United States has stock. Maybe the delivery time will be 10th April.
Okay. So let's do some. Let's just enjoy a little moment here. So let's see how many people enjoy the join the lucky draw. Okay. So
okay.
Yeah,
45.
Yeah, seems like 45 people joining live. So let's do something interesting now. Let's relax. Okay. Maybe we should relax because we are really put a lot of effort here and we are so nervous here. But yeah, I think finally. Let's win some filament, okay? Let's win some filament.
Maybe you have interesting coding ideas. You can comment it.
Yeah.
Last live stream we adopt the printer coding down ideas. Says Sovol 08, Sovol 07, and any other and. Some people suggest that we can adopt the northern size.
So
no, you only click here.
Okay. Oh, you are doing it. Great. So I think give me. I think I will answer this question again. So since some customer may just join the live right now, so maybe not see the previous comment. So Dominic Masker said, "Are you guys going to release an edit prop for the Sovol S308 just like the Sovol Zero?" Yeah, I think the Sovol. First, I want to say that thank you so much for everyone buying S308. This really bring the company alive again. I sincerely appreciate that. And then back to the question, as I just answered that. So, the AD prop will be same as SV0. 8. We will not release any kind of modified version of the 0 sensor. What we will do later is that we will do some firmware update, and also give you a guide of how to assemble this sensor. Since we do make some new design of this for 0, yeah. But you cannot just buy the sensor itself and just plug and play. No, you cannot do that. So please wait until we have this full package out. Okay, but mainly is about the software part. So definitely, I knew some people is really good at tinkering machines. You could, with our open source files, you could do whatever you want. But for normal customers, you want more stable sensors for the S308. You definitely can buy later, but you just need to wait a little bit. Okay, if you're not a pro at tinker, you just wait. Okay, I know there is some very good engineer who could just do it themselves. But anyway, you for normal customers, just wait a little bit. We are working on it. Okay, yeah. So anyway,
let's refresh the page.
Okay. Wow, let's refresh the page. Which one?
No, I think we should.
我知道 refresh. I know refresh. I mean, we.
Click here.
Okay. Okay, let's see how many people here today for the lucky draw part. Yeah. 40 people. Let me refresh the page and see if there are more people join.
No, click here.
Okay. Oh, 51 already.
Yes, you need to
copy. Okay.
Recopy.
Yeah. Okay, more people join. It's great. Yeah, I hope you guys win. Yeah. And we also will do some. What?
Question?
No. How? Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. 我以为变成那个，我疯了。All right, guys.
You need to recopy.
I will recopy the name
Okay.
name since some.
With a while, we recopy the name and choose a lucky winner.
Yeah.
Has an interesting counting down idea.
Oh yeah. As Julia said, do you guys have any counting down ideas, except like 10, 9, 8, this stuff? Any interesting ideas of the countdown? I want to see if I follow your guys' rules and I see something wrong, we could add another lucky draw. Okay? What do you think? Yeah, what do you think? Spin that wheel. Henry says, so yeah. Do you have any interesting ideas for the countdown? Let's do something interesting, yeah. Oh, just spin that wheel. Do not say anything. Okay. Oh, some customers said they do not show a form on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, you need to copy the link. Yeah. Click Facebook. Okay. Yes, copy it.
Okay. So some customers said they just don't see it. So I just sent to every social media platform comment section. So if you cannot find it, you just check the comment right now. Okay? We just resend this form link. Just please join us. Yeah.
Okay, wait a while.
Yeah, we will wait. Oh, Jerome Burler said, "Who is the winner? We not start yet." Okay, we not start yet. So, thank you guys for joining this long time. And oh, cool. Okay, so George said we should count down our own models as we SV08, SV07 plus, SV07, SV06 plus, SV06, SV0 plus ace, SV06 ace, SV04, SV03, SV02, SV01. You like me to count down like this? Or make it.
Maybe we can we promote the activity?
Oh.
Yes.
I'm sorry, what?
Promote the activity. Monitor your way. Contest.
Okay. Do the countdown in Chinese.
Maybe you can't understand.
Oh, do the countdown in Chinese. Okay. Do the countdown. Okay. Yeah, but I think if you like to learn Chinese, that should be great. Yeah. Oh, I think this is an interesting one. Sebastian said that countdown by Sovol printers spot benchy print time. Okay, you are killing me yet. I can't remember every printer's. First, I do not have data for every printer's benchy print time. Okay, but I think it's just less time and less time compared to the new ones. Yeah, why not? Let's count down in Chinese. Okay, let's count down in Chinese. Okay. So let me recheck the.
If we count down in Chinese, can you understand it?
Yeah, if we count in Chinese, it's just.
Click here. Yes, 61.
Yeah, 61 people here. Yeah.
10 people.
Yeah. So. We will refresh the lucky draw form last time. If later anybody join, unfortunately it will not count. But yeah, I will count down like 10 in Chinese. If no new people join, then I will just spin the wheel. Okay. Oh, another one. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4. Okay, maybe I think I have a good idea. So I will see the Chinese one, then I'll see the English. Okay, so you know what is what. Okay, so 10, 10, 9, 9. Okay, guys, if I say anything wrong, I will do a one more round of lucky draw. Okay, so okay, let's continue. So 8, 8. 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, oh shit, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, I think yeah.
You need a recopy.
Recopy? Okay.
Yes, 63.
63. So where total is 63 people.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think we'll finish here. If anyone who just join, and then we are not count since we just stop. Okay. But we're not. But we're not. We are not. Okay. Then I will start to spin the wheel. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for the waiting here, and just give me a second. Okay, give me. Oh, why it? Okay, guys. So let's do it. So I will say again. Okay, about before I spin the wheel. Okay, then you know the winners. So, thank you for waiting.
You are just confusing yourself.
Yeah, I'm trying to confuse myself. Yeah, why not? Okay, so let's do it. So, maybe this time we go from 20. Okay, to add more difficulty, which means you have more chance to do another round. Okay, yeah. So. 20, 19, 18 18 17 17 16 16 15 15 14 14 13 13 12 12 11 11 10 10 9 9 8 8 7 7 6 6 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1 1 0 okay, 0 mistake. Okay, so let's do it.
Congratulations, CL4NS.
Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, congratulations.
You can contact me on Facebook or send an email to sale@sovol3d.com to claim your prize.
Yeah. So guys, do we have any other stuff? Oh, okay, context. So, actually, as you guys know that, so first congratulations to CL4NS. Yeah, you could reach out to Yulia, or you just reach out to sell@sovol3d.com, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And since I think still so many customers still watching here, so we have this. We have our Sovol's printer modification context here. So except the new printer here, we also have this activity going on. Yeah. So why we hold this activity? The main aim is to, I think our main aim is to honor the tinker spirit. Okay, and I like to open the activity again.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry guys, I need to go back to the original, since there are already so many customers share their modes, which is really inspiring. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's why Sovol continue to do this kind of printers, not like anybody else. Okay, not like anybody else. Yeah. So give me a minute, guys. I will just anyway, so first of all, this activity is not finished yet. We still have like I think like 2 or 3 days for you to participate, and you just share any modes, okay, or any brand, not just Sovol printers, any brand printers you could just share if you ever mod it, okay. And please remember to tag Sovol and mod it your way, okay. And also one thing is that please add pictures or videos. Please do not just type some words, as we just cannot show to our customers, and later for vote, as we do not know, we cannot see it. Okay, if you just say words. But anyway, let's say some good stuff here. Okay, I think this one is also blow my mind. They changed to SV06 bed slinger to a CoreXY. This is really crazy. All right, I even cannot tell what printer is this. Okay, it's just a very interesting one. Yeah, very interesting one. The customer said that his daughter misheard he says Sovol, so now his printer's name is Snowball. SV6 best linear is now a CoreXY. The fans are all upgraded, duct upgraded, endoscope mount, and way more. The board is now a SKR Mini E3V3. It's running Klipper on an Orange Pi 3 LTS and the monitors are all upgraded IDOs. It also got a nifty glow in the dark fan protector covering another upgraded fan on the side of the extruder. I will soon put a beacon on it. So by the way, the silver is insulation for hot printing. I just make example here, guys. I know you already watched a long time. So, and the winner will get the chance to get the Sovol 0. And then also, maybe if you now win the printer, you also could win the filament dryers of SH02, which is a very awesome dryer. And then also, if you still not have chance, you also have the chance to win the free roll of filament. We have 10 rolls of filament for you to win. So if you guys still not knowing this activity, and you just check out and share any mode you already done. Yeah. So and I think finally I want to say one thing, that since Bamboo lead a way to easy to use, I do hear some people said that people stop learning 3D printing, right? So I think Sovol's value is still believe there are people, they want the printer to work like Bamboo Lab, but they also want to tinker, to mold something, to do something, except print from slicer. Okay, they want still tinker the printer itself. So which means you're not only interested in 3D printing, but you're also interested in 3D printer. Okay, so we still believe there are people out there. I know you guys already have Bamboo. Okay, it's all right. Just why not have a Sovol? Okay, why not? Anyway, so there are so many people sharing everything here. Yeah, some I think some other brand printer here. Why not? Yeah. Okay, so let's back to yeah. So I think we should say goodbye.
Yes, thanks all for joining your live stream. It is an honor to come to chat with you.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think if you have any question about Sovol Zero or Sovol printers, you can send an email to sovol3d.com or contact me with me on Facebook. We will launch another live stream on Thursday, and question and answer about Sovol Zero. Welcome everyone to ask any questions about Sovol Zero.
Okay. Oh, I think there's still so many people not left. So you want another round? I think I think if there is more than 20 people type 0, I think we could do another round. Okay, another round of a free raw filament. What do you think? What do you think? If more than 20 people tap 0 on the comment section, okay, we will do another round of lucky draw here. What do you think? What do you think?
Okay.
There are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Noise again.
Okay, guys. I think yeah. Okay. Let's do another round. Let's do another. First, we do a screenshot of the. Okay, guys, enough. Okay, okay, enough. It's already more than 20. I think it's already 30 to 40 counts 0. Yeah. Let's do. Okay, we will do another round. Okay, we will do another round. Yeah. First thing I need to do is to do
Screenshot. Yes.
then we need to remove this customer, right? Right.
Screenshot on the comment. Change the
Screenshot. Take a photo.
Okay. I think, yeah. Also, we want to change another way. I think more interesting here. So, you guys, let's do this way. We will now choose from this. We will not spin the wheel. We will just take a picture real time. And who's on the top comment will win 1 row of filament. What do you think? So you just continue to, but I want to change another question. Okay, so you just type the max speed of the 0, which is 1200. You just type 1200. Continue just paste the comment. Then we will just take a picture here. Okay, I will count down like 30 seconds. Then we will, Julia will take a picture. Okay, from the screen, and then we will show you here. Okay, why not? Okay. Some customer already started. Okay. So I will count down 30 seconds. Then we will just shoot. Okay. So the customer who on our screen on our screen that so let's do it. Please not stop. Okay, and I will count down 30 now. Okay, 30, 29, 28, 27. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 16, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shot. Okay. Okay, guys, the winner here, his name is Hater Channel. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? Hater Channel. Yeah, the winner is Hater Channel. This name is so awesome. I don't know how to describe. Yeah, but I think you guys check the. Okay. Congratulations. Hater Channel. Oh, sorry guys. I think
You click here.
yeah. I will show guys here again. 要不你拿那边去。
Yes.
Yeah. So Yulia will show you that. Yeah.
Can you see it?
放大第一个，把旧版第一个放大一点。 Yeah, Hater Channel, he's the first one. So congratulations. His channel's name is really interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, very interesting.
Please contact
Please contact Yulia or
you can share my Facebook profile.
Yeah. I will share. I will also share Yulia's the file. Yeah.
Facebook profile and yes.
Yeah, you could also
Send an email to sale at Sovol 3D.
Yeah, you could send an email.
.com.
Yeah, as we need to verify. So please send an email to here and also
Contact with me on Facebook.
Okay. So guys, we are pretty kind of I think seeing everything here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Please say bye. Goodbye.
Yeah.
We will. Okay.
Okay. So bye guys.
Bye.
Catch you later. You have a great day and happy printing.
Yes.
And thank you so much for joining live. Hope you enjoy today's live and have a good time. And we just see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.